You took our identities from us and our freedom from us the moment we were born into this earth. We are injected with poison. We are given a certificate that signifies we are government properties. Then you force us to go through a system that brainwashes everything of our eternal truth and replace with lies, evil systemic rules and regulations that sucks away our energy. You poison our mind, you poison our body, you poison our spirit. You divide us. You've divided us with language. You have divided us with culture, tradition, color, religion, tribe, countries, schools, politics, media. Why? You have buried us deep into our root chakra. You have seized every opportunity that we have to ascend our souls into the higher planes of existence. You have compressed our inner child. This system hates our inner child. This system has forced us to mature into our ego because they know when we are trapped in our root, we will remain there forever. Look at the skies. You could see these are fake clouds. Why? And now the masses are awaking. I think this time, I know in my heart, with my spirit and my soul, that this is the ascension period, and we are ascending because enough is enough. You have fed on us for millennia, and now we take our power back. Now we take our voice back with repelling, with peace, love, and inner standing and inner knowing, not with violence, because it never worked for us that way. Peace, love, and light to all the souls that are trying so hard to awaken from this evil system. Namaste. I love you all.